Hello friends, welcome to Solve Loop Quiz Challenge. Today's Spot the Difference Challenge features 20 real logo puzzles. You'll see two very similar logos, but only one is the genuine version. Look closely, trust your eyes, and try to get a perfect score before time runs out. Are you ready? Let's begin. Which of these KitKat logos is the official design? Option B. Can you find the authentic Nescafé logo here? Option B. Out of these Pizza Hut logos, which one is real? Option A. Is either of these Nike logos original? Which one? Option B. Pick the correct Ford logo from these two choices. Option A. What's your score so far? Tell us in the comments. Which Gucci logo matches the original brand? Option A. Identify the real Sprite logo before time end. Option A. Which TikTok logo is actually correct? A or B? Option B. Can you spot the genuine ChatGPT logo A or B? Option B. One Mercedes-Benz logo is correct. Which one? Option B. Please subscribe and share your score with your friends. Out of these Airbnb logos, choose the authentic one. Option A. Which of these options is Zoom official logo here? Option A. Can you recognize the genuine Louis Vuitton logo? Option A. Pick the real Tesla logo from these two options. Option B. Which of these Photoshop logos is the correct one? Option A. Comment your current score below. Is either of these H&M logos the authentic one? Option B. Find the official Heinz logo without guessing. Option A. Which Grok logo matches the original brand? Here. Option B. One Pringles logo is genuine. Which one is it? Option B. Finish strong by choosing the real YouTube logo. Option A. Amazing work. How many logos did you get right? Leave your score in the comments below and tell us which puzzle was the most difficult. If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to like, subscribe, and Share this video with your friends. We'll see you in the next Spot the Difference challenge. Please, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.